Greetings everyone, it's Jane Mackenzie from 365 Healthy by Choice. I'm standing in one of my favorite spots in the garden, bare feet. I have my feet on the stones and in the sand and my hands in the soil as well, in amongst the plants. And as I stand on the soil, the plants are feeling my resonance, and they're going to be growing as food for me, food as medicine. And that is because they pick up my excesses and my deficiencies, and I'm able to therefore use this food as medicine directly. So when we eat food that's grown and prepared by other people, we are not necessarily eating the optimum food. If we grow and prepare our food, it's optimum. And furthermore, if we hold the seeds in our hands before we plant, the seed will actually pick up our resonance, our excesses and our deficiencies, and grows food for us. So we've got kale here, I've got lettuces, I've got salad verbena, I've got rocket, lots and lots of lettuces and spinach. And in my other garden I'll show in a moment, we've got cabbages growing and all sorts of other cruciferous vegetables, which in winter time are important. And it's important that we eat food for the season, the food that's in season. When we were much younger, we never got strawberries all year round. We never got tomatoes all year round. And even when our ancestors were, there weren't eggs every day, because when we go to my chickens just now, I will show you that the chickens lay when the astrology is right, when the warmth is right, when the food is right, and let's just say the circadian rhythm of the earth even is right. They will lay then, and that is when we should eat eggs. We shouldn't be eating eggs every single day. We shouldn't be having avocado every single day. So there's lots to learn from nature. And just on a small note as well, when you want to lay out your bed, it's important to lay the bed facing north if you live in the southern hemisphere, and then from east to west, so that you have a long arch of the sun coming through over the vegetables every day. You need a minimum of 6 hours and facing north. That's optimum. Many people are digging up their lawns today. They're realizing that they need to consume organic food. They're seeing the negative effect of heavy metals, chemicals, insecticides. So I'm very proud to have this veggie garden, which we started a long time ago. And we also plant sequentially, because over there we have our seedlings, that we have the next generation of kale and spinach and Chinese cabbage coming through to ensure a sustainable vegetable garden and sustainable food on the table. And just now I'm going to show you a delicious salad that I'm going to have for lunch, made from the sprouts that I've sprouted and these green leaves from the garden.